Hello everyone, and welcome back to John and Mandy Go RVing. In this episode, we are touring Brennan Beach RV Resort, which is located along the southeastern coast of Lake Ontario in Pulaski, New York.
Brennan Beach RV Resort has 1,320 sites. However, most of the park is dedicated to seasonal campers. For nomad campers like us, there were two sections. We were in the first of these sections near the entrance, with decently large open sites. The second section, not occupied by seasonal campers, was closer to the beach and was in a more wooded area. All sites come with water, electric, and cable, and most sites also have sewer. However, the sites designated as value sites do not have sewer, and there's no dump station in the campground. There are 6 bathhouses in the campground and 2 additional restrooms. Although the restrooms seemed relatively clean, some of the showers were dirty and were missing shower curtains and hooks. The office is located in this building. Upon check-in, you will receive your designated site, a cable box, and a code for park entry. In the middle, you'll find the courtyard, the center for all recreation and activities for the campground. Here, there's a large store with camping essentials, souvenirs, and of course, ice cream. Next door is the recreation hall. Upon check-in, you'll receive a list of events going on during your stay. We found this campground to be very lively, with a ton of activities for both kids and adults. They even had live music and costume contests during our stay. On site, you'll even find a bar and a restaurant. This is a great option when you're camping. Behind the restaurant is an ice cream counter, making it easy to grab a cone. One of John's favorite parts of this campground is the arcade, by far the biggest we've seen. In the activity center, you and the kids can do many different scheduled arts and crafts, games, and special events. This building has a small library and the laundromat. The laundromat is a good size and takes quarters or credit cards, or you can download an app. In the library, you can borrow a book for your stay, or clean some clutter out of your RV and add to their inventory. There are 3 pools, 2 pools for everyone, and 1 wading pool, just for the smallest campers. We are here just before Memorial Day, so they're just starting to get the pools ready for use. Behind the pools is a large playground. This area is fenced in and is locked after dusk. The campground has a ton of activities, such as a basketball court, horseshoes, shuffleboard courts, volleyball court, and a tennis court. Near the courtyard is a baseball diamond and an open field with a stage. During the summer months, the campground hosts musical acts and dances. There's plenty of open space in this campground to have a picnic or walk your pet. There is no dedicated dog park in the campground, however. The recycling center and trash receptacle are along the main road in the campground. Another eatery in the campground is Vicky's Sunset Grill, the perfect place to pick up dinner or an ice cream on your way to the beach. During the summer months, the campground runs a shuttle to the beach every hour. What a great way to enjoy Lake Ontario.
Look at you, girl. You're all hamming it up over there. Maybe you see a bug. You gonna do some bugging? Time to do some bugging, huh?
So I'm sure many of you wonder how we're able to travel as often as we do.
One tool we like to use when looking for campgrounds is Thousand Trails.
It's a campground membership with plans to meet your camping needs. The Thousand Trails system offers a variety of RV sites, tent sites, and cabins, plus many offer a ton of amenities and activities. Many are located near popular vacation destinations. We found that the campgrounds serve as a perfect home base when we're exploring new areas. Thousand Trails can work for the weekend campers, full-time RVers, and every type of camper in between. The membership specialists will work with you personally to fit the membership to your camping needs and budget. Contact Michael and Lori, membership specialists who are ready to answer your questions. And please don't forget to mention John and Mandy Go RVing when you call.
Looks like a whole bunch of people ready to party.
Gordon's getting in his afternoon nap a little early today. He likes his belly rubs. Thanks everyone for joining us today, and if you found any of this information useful, please give us a like and feel free to subscribe. Take care everyone.